Don't scroll, guys, don't scroll. So right now I have 1792 USDT in my Binance account. Let me refresh. You see it's real. All right, and guys, I want to double this USDT into 2000 positive, 2000 and above. And how am I going to do this? I'm going to do a simple crypto arbitrage trading right now, me and you, step by step. It will take a few minutes, so don't give up. Just watch what I'm doing and do it exactly the way I do. All right, so I'm going to use this exchange called Vinancee.net. All right, so first step, you need to create an account here and verify your KYC. After verification, you go Vinancee home like this, vinancee.com.net, sorry, vinancee.net, and then you click on these three dots and then you log in. After you log in, you'll see this dashboard blue. Click on dashboard, and now here it's in your account. But before we go there, guys, before we go on your account, let me show you how to make the money now before. Okay, so you click on the three dots here and then you click trade and you go to P2P. All right, guys, once you go to P2P, now here is where now you need to do what we call P2P trading, crypto arbitrage. All right, so you can see there are many offers here, many of them, right, guys? So today we are not going to buy USDT or what, we are going to sell. So I'll click on sell button and then scroll again. You see, once you scroll like this, guys, you'll see these are the vendors. So you need to choose as per your limit. Let's say, for example, you have 100 USDT you want to use. So you scroll down, scroll, and let's say you see this one, like this one, AD Kenya has 56 to 1500 USDT. It means that, you see this one, it means that you can only sell between 56 to 1500. All right, so continuing, you see there's Alexis Mink has between 50 to 750. There's this one called David Catch has between 71 to 1600. So guys, what to do now is you click on the profile of the vendor. See, once you click that profile like that, you see the vendor has 3 positives and 0 negatives. That's very important to see. Okay, so once the vendor has some good positive feedbacks and he's verified, that just to know that you will not be scammed. So we can continue going to a different vendor like this one. You see the first one here, this one. So once we click this one called Leku Dominic, this is probably a scammer because it doesn't have any positive reviews. All right, so let's continue down. Let's continue. Let me close this contact here and then continue. If we click on Eugene Whitney, he has +2 and -1, so that one is also good but not very good. So let's find another one. We have David Thomas. Right, guys, you see he has +15 and -0, so this is one of the best. All right, guys, so what we do now is we click, you see the David Thomas has a limit of 50 USDT to 700. So what we do now, we click on sell on him, right? And then you put the amount that you want to sell. So let's say if I put 500 USDT, I'll make 594. That's 94 USDT in profit. If I put 1000 USDT, I'll make 1189. Right, so because for this purpose today, let's use 500. Okay, 500 like that, and then payment method USDT. Right, so now guys, this trade will not work because I don't have, you see, I am getting an error, seller don't have sufficient balance. Because if you see on my available account, you see available amount is 0.4507, so that means I'm not able to sell what I don't have here. So what to do now, I need to go back to my dashboard, click on the three dots, dashboard. Now we need to add money in the Vinancee.net account. Okay, So I'll click on the three dots after clicking dashboard, three dots here, and then click manage wallet, right? And then guys, I'll click on funding wallet. Guys, remember to deposit on funding wallet always, because trading P2P must be happening only on funding wallet. You see my funding wallet has 0.45, so I'll click on view. All right, and then I'll scroll down here. You can see all my transactions, withdrawals, and etc. So here now I need to click on deposit. Amount is 500 USDT. All right guys, and then click submit. It's very easy like this. And then guys, now here you copy the address. This is the address here. So guys, this is the address. Now you copy this address like that, and now go back to your Binance account. So you need now to go to your Binance account and then withdraw the funds to the address. Okay, so you click on your Binance, you click on portfolio, choose Tether USDT. Already I'm suggesting you already have you already have USDT in your Binance. Okay, and then you click take out, withdraw. All right guys, ignore that, and then long press your address here, cross check the address. If it's matching guys, and then next step, you choose the network is Tron TRC20, amount is 501 because of $1 fee, then the user will receive 500. So now click withdraw and then confirm. Put your passkeys or your verification code. That's personal guys, don't show anybody your verification, it's personal. So it's loading, and I'll put my verification passkeys. So guys, now the verification is done and the withdrawal is processing. All right, so now here guys, what you do, you need to click screenshot this. You screenshot this withdrawal like this, you screenshot like that, take the screenshot. It's disturbing a little bit. Nice, the screenshot has been taken. Now you need to go back to your Vinancee.net and then click on choose file, and then put the file, the screenshot that we took here. See, the screenshot is here, and then click pay now. All right, now your deposit is submitted, it's pending. You see the deposit is pending. You see 2 weeks ago I had deposited 1,000, so now I've deposited 500 USDT just to show you guys. Okay, so we wait the deposit to be approved. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes usually, but less than 5, then I'll get back to you. So now I need to refresh the page. Nice, the deposit has been approved guys. Now if I go to my wallet, my manage wallet here, and then I click funding, now you see I have 500.45 USDT. Now guys, it's time now to make the money. All right, it's now time to make the money. So I'll go back to Vinancee.net home, and then I'll click on the three dots here, trade P2P, just the same way that we did last time, and then click sell, right? And then I'll scroll down here, and we said we're selling to David Koch, right? No, it's not David, it was Eugene. Let me see. No, it was the one that had oh, it's David Thomas guys, David Thomas. Yes, had 15 positive and 0 negative. So let me go back, and now I'll click on sell and put amount 500 guys, and then now you see, or you know guys, before it was 594 that I will receive, but now it's 605. Do you know why? Because of market liquidity. USDT and USD, they liquidate with some percentage, 0.1 0.5. So now I still have like $10 above. It was 594 before. So receiving method is Tether USDT. All right, and then you click on sell. But guys, this is the problem, people maybe don't know how they receive. You see this receiving method here, How do you set it? Let me show you before we trade here. You click on three dots here, and then you click on dashboard, right? And then you click on this, and then you click on P2P center, right? I want to show you how to set the receiving address, and then you click on these three dots, manage payment, the method. Now this is the receiving method. You see my address is here. So what you do, you go to your Binance, right? Go to your Binance. You see now I have 1,291 guys after withdrawal 500. So you go to your Binance, and then you click on USDT. You click add funds, deposit crypto, all right, Tron. You copy the address like that, and then you paste it here. All right, now that's the address that the vendor will send the payment to. All right, so that's your Binance wallet technically. So going back again, we go back now to the trade. So we'll go Vinancee home again. All right, and then click on three dots, trade P2P. Guys, I don't know whether I'm fast, but I really hope you are getting me. But if you have any other queries in my TikTok or in my Telegram channel, in my TikTok there's a link there, guys. You join my Telegram, and also I have a WhatsApp number in my TikTok where you can contact me. I'll help you for free. So let's continue. Click on sell. Then scrolling down to David Thomas, right, the one that we had selected, this one, and then click sell. All right, remember guys, David Thomas has a limit of 70 to, where is David again? Let me refresh. David Thomas, here you see he has a limit from 70 USDT to 1500. So when you, if you have less amount, don't put exactly 70. All right, so let me click. If you have less, you can't sell to him. You must have 70 and above. So click sell, and then put amount 500. So guys, there's a problem. Some of you maybe someone has 50 USDT and they only put 50, and you see available amount is 50, and somebody puts 50 and they get an error that they don't have enough amount. All right, so for example, if I put 500.4507, you see, sorry, 500 point, or it's not possible to put the point anyway. But what I'm trying to say is, if you have 50 USDT, make sure you put 49 because of the $1 transaction fee on P2P. So here I'll put 4.99 because of $1. So if you have 70, you put 69. If you have 40, you put 39. If you have 1,000, you put 9.99. Make sure you are like that. So, and then the payment method that we had already set is USDT, and then we click sell. Okay, see, I'm still getting the error. The seller doesn't have sufficient wallet balance. It's okay guys, because it seems this one has to take at least $2. So what you do here, you put 4.98 now. All right, $2, and then click sell again. Still not. Again, put 4.97, right? Click sell. 4.96, right? Now that one worked. So they took $4 as a P2P fee. Okay, so let's wait it to load. So guys, what's happening here right now is I already have placed the trade. You see, still my you see my available balance right now is 0.9. So let's go and check the trade if it's running. We click on the three dots and trade P2P center here. Okay, Sometimes this site can load slow. We click on three dots and then click on dashboard. We need to see whether the trade is running. So I'll click on that, three dots again, and then P2P center. That's if you want to see whether your trades are running. You see running trade 1. So I click on running trade here, and you see I have the running trade of 496 USDT, which I'll get 600 in return. Here it is. So let it load. So guys, you see now the order is pending. The next step, now you click on details. All right, you see the order is pending here. So what to do now, guys, is you text the vendor, hello, please release my order, thank you. Okay guys, so now we are, once you see something went wrong, we don't keep on sending something is not good here, but the message has been sent, you see, after refreshing. So now I'm waiting for the vendor to pay my order here to this address that I had provided them. So let's wait for a few minutes. So guys, it has been like 5 minutes now. I refresh this page and see whether the vendor has paid. Oh, you see now I have a release button. So going down here, you see the vendor said paid, my friend. This is the TXID. This is the transaction hash that he has paid. So let's copy this hash and confirm if the payment really came over. So if we go to Tron scan, okay, let's paste this hash here. Here it is. It's true guys, 600. It's true. So going back again guys, going back, I'll go to my Binance and check whether I received it. So going to my Binance direct, okay, oh yeah, I received it. You see now I have 1892. Oh nice. So I made a profit of 100 USDT. So now what I'll do, I'll continue repeating this process up to 10 trades so that I can make at least $1,000 per day. See guys, so now after you have confirmed the payment is done, now you click on release. Don't release if you have not been paid. All right, so after that, now you leave a positive feedback. Hello, thanks so much, you are the best. Just like that guys. Okay, nice. So that is done. Now next, you've made the $100 profit just like that guys. So that's how to do crypto arbitrage. And if you have any other questions, I've told you, check my number on my TikTok or my YouTube or anywhere, or in my Telegram channel, and I will help you for free. Thank you so much.